Hi, I'm Dan, and this is my wife Bree, along with our two dogs, Penny and Bella. For the last 12 years, we have traveled the west coast of the USA and the north and the south islands of New Zealand. We have found ourselves after 19 moves here in South Lake Tahoe, where we have bought a home, and we feel very fortunate to be here. Please come along and enjoy our adventures. Welcome to Tahoe Mountain Life. Whenever it's brimming over right at the door, oh my gosh. These are the winds I'm talking about. Alright, so we're going to start this video where we left off yesterday afternoon on March 1st. Obviously now it's the early morning of March 2nd. But just to bring you back and take you through our day.
All right, so Dan couldn't get through a regular doorway onto the deck, so he is gonna go through the sliding door. There we go. It's heavy. Well, it's pretty amazing. We got a plow already in this storm, which is so rare for us, so we'll take it. But now we gotta get the beast out and clear the berm. Snowmobiles are out. Now that is one mega berm. Check out our forest. We got groomed trails out here by the snowmobiles. It's very nice, right, Penny? on. It's pretty cool. The manzanita turned into pillow line out in the meadow. It still feels pretty warm out here. I'm guessing it's going to be getting colder soon. Go get her. Well, it's 4 p.m. and it's definitely picked up in intensity. Winds and snow. Shh, come here. Look how well Bree's doing. She's helping me with a light layer of snow. She is doing fantastic. Let's have a look at our snow gauge at 5 p.m. It is pretty buried. Hard to tell exactly. I mean, if we're there, we're maybe at like 19, but I don't know. This area is probably not the best area to put it, but especially with this storm, just with all the wind. So it's now 6 p.m. and things have definitely started to ramp up, at least in the winds, over the last 30 minutes. Like right now as I'm filming, I'm like, oh, this is nothing compared to what we just saw out the window 30 seconds ago. Oh my gosh, I can't even. Wow. Eventually, you know, this is one positive that I can see, is that if the winds blow all of the snow off the tree limbs, is that maybe we'll keep power even with these high winds. Bray, what just has been happening?
The lights have been flickering.
Yeah.
And we're about to lose all of our hot water if we lose our power.
Are you gonna take a shower?
I don't know. I'm kind of cold right now as it is.
It's starting to get a bit eerie in here. Our house was built in 1968. Sometimes it feels a bit fragile. Bray, what just happened?
The lights went out, and then they came back on, and then you go, hey!
It's a moment of joy that somehow the power managed to survive, but I feel like we're in the minutes that we have left of this luxury of power. Time for bed. Good morning. It is early on Saturday, March 2nd. The winds were howling last night. This is how we find out if we still have power. Oh my gosh. I could have sworn we would not have had power. All right, we're gonna let the girls out. I'm a bit scared to kind of see what we find. Yeah, whenever it's brimming over right at the door, oh my gosh. These are the winds I'm talking about. It is crazy out here. Drifting here. The snow stake is gone. Prius buried. Yes, I know we should not have a Prius in Tahoe, but we do. Well, you're not making it very far to go to the bathroom. Is it too much? Okay. Oh, Penny, yeah, I know. I'll clear a path here in a bit. This is why they are calling for a blizzard warning. What are you looking for, Pen?
Hello, girl. Yeah, this entryway is partially covered, but when the wind's kicking from the west or southwest or northwest, this whole area gets loaded. All right, so officially the snow stake is gone. Got to find it and get it restarted. I mean, look at the front of our house. It just blasted. All right, so I was able to dig it out from over here, and we're restarting at 12. All right, so just to give you an idea of what I've had to do so far just to try to slightly get unburied is just dig a path out here in this deep snow. It's still, the very bottom of it was still heavy, but now it's light on top. My gas tank is buried in there, so I had to dig that out. Still got to get that open, and then just dug out enough of a path. I mean, this snow is drifting up past my knees. Got the blower dug out, got the gas tank exposed. We're gonna fill her back up. I should have done that last night. I really cannot believe our power is still on. I'm not taking it for granted. It could go out at any moment, but man, crazy.